Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be going over how to set up your billing information, our automated billing features, and the different payment options available for you. As an outdoor property maintenance service provider, it only makes sense that we care about our environment. To reduce our impact, we have moved to paperless billing. Not only is this a greener option, it is also more convenient, reliable, and secure. Our customers have access to all their invoices online through our secure client portal. Here, you're able to view the current status of your invoices, the date they were issued, the services rendered, and the balance owing. We offer an automated billing feature for all our recurring seasonal services, including snow removal, lawn mowing and fertilization treatments, and spring and fall cleanups. This allows us to accurately and efficiently keep your invoices up to date, meaning our team has more time to focus on servicing your property. Setting up your automated billing takes less than 60 seconds, and the best part is that your credit card is safely stored on our secured processing server. Once your information is entered, not even our staff have access to your number. To set up your billing information, simply log into your Client Hub and click the Wallet menu. From here, you can add the credit card you wish to be charged for your services. An alternative option is to contact our office and someone will happily assist you further. Customers looking to book larger projects can also make payments with a credit card, or other optional methods including e-transfers and checks. Our office will still require a valid credit card on file before services are scheduled. An alternative option is to prepay services upfront. Our recurring monthly services are billed and charged on the first business day of each service month. For example, an invoice for the snow removal of the month of January would be issued and charged on January 1st. For one-off projects that can be completed in a single visit, invoices are issued upon completion of work. Larger projects with multiple visits that span over days or weeks require deposits and progress payments, with the balance owing due upon completion. For all invoices below $1,000, there are no convenience fees for credit card payments. Invoices above $1,000 are subject to a 3% convenience fee if paid by credit card. We also accept checks and e-transfers as an alternative payment method for larger invoices. If you guys found this helpful, go ahead and click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. What should we cover next? Let me know in the comments down below.